Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. What kind of video would this be if I didn't show a video of a water leak? And as you can see, this is a major water leak. Lots of water everywhere. So this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to show you pictures of equipment, construction equipment, and let you see if you can name them. This one here you're looking at is a steel wheel roller. It weighs about 5 tons. So I'm going to play a little music, let you watch the pictures and see if you can guess what the equipment is. And if you want, leave it in the comments. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching.